Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very exciting for me. I haven't done a makeup recreation one in quite a while, and I'm really excited to do Taeyeon's makeup from her new music video INVU. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. First up, I'm going to lay down an eyeshadow primer. I'm also going to put a little bit on the bridge of my nose just because in the look she has a little bit of glitter on that area, so I just want to prime it now so that it has time to set. Next I'm going to fill in my brows, just starting with the tail end, filling that in for a more natural look, and then just going through with the spoolie. So I'm going to start by laying down a transition shade around my crease, and I'm not going to take it up very high because it looks like it's mostly concentrated towards the lash line and then a little bit towards the crease. To deepen up that eye a little bit more, I'm just going to go in with a smaller blendy brush and just focus it right in the outer V. Next, I'm going to work on the bottom lash line. I'm going to take that brown color that I used for my outer V and just smoke out the lash line. So I did pop on some mascara. I'm just going to go in and do the eyeliner. So I'm going to tightline first, and then I'm going to do a little wing liner, and then it looks like she continues that line with eyeshadow. So next I'm going to take an angle brush and I'm going to go in with that dark brown color that I used for the outer V, and I'm just going to continue the eyeline with that. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm just going to take the kind of champagne goldy color in this palette and just tap that on. Looks like there's three places that she puts the glitter. One is a little bit above the crease, one is below her eyeliner, and then the other one is on the bridge of her nose. I've been liking going foundation free, so I'm going to do that again this time. I just want to give my skin an extra glow because they're all about that glass skin. So I'm going to go in with the Glossier highlighter and put that all over my face. I'm probably going to skip the bridge of my nose because that's already pretty glowy. And it doesn't really look like she has blush in it, but I just want to put it on a tiny bit just to give my face a little bit of color. Then for lip, I'm going to go on with a lip gloss. So this is the finished look. Okay, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my look. Hopefully by the next video I'll have washed off all this glitter, but we'll see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!